Okay, fellas, as you can see, I got this basket case, which you've seen in the last video, the $7 bargain engine, all back together. It was in terrible shape. The shell wasn't on it, pieces are missing, was not running at all. We got it running, and that switch was definitely the main problem. The shell was cracked in a few places. Apparently someone tried to get in there and didn't know how. So, at any rate, we got it running now, and I think I got the reverse working pretty decent too. So that's pretty good. I got that switch soldered into place, so it can't move at all. It was extremely temperamental. So that's running pretty decent. And the other thing I wanted to show you is, I remember several videos ago I showed you I did my own interpretation of the sound of power, as they called it, the wheel that went round and round and made noise. Well, I picked one up, the real McCoy, okay? And this is what she looks like, okay? It's a big wheel, alright? See the rubber on the bottom of it, so it doesn't make contact with the third rail, so to speak, the juice. And it's got BBs in there. I'm going to hook this one up to this engine, and we're going to show you what she sounds like. Sit tight a second. Alright, fellas, listen up, and you're going to hear the sound of steam coming out of that southern tender there as that wheel goes round and round. That's what she sounds like. Before they had any kind of electronics, that was the first sound they come up with. Pretty darn neat, I think. Alright, guys. Sit tight. We're going to hook up here and pull those. Alright, fellas. What you're looking at here now is a new set of animated cars, which I picked up. These are called the horse transport car. And they are... It's an animated action car, right? The number on it is 6473. Okay, how it works is you have a black horse on one side and a white horse on the other, and they're both connected with a straight piece, and they have a pivot in the middle. And there's no gears, no mechanical mechanism whatsoever. This is strictly a balancing act. And which makes it very random, makes the action very random, and especially around turns it works very well. If you have a big layout, they're very good. My small layout, it's not the greatest action by any means, but nonetheless, they're very collectible items, as are all the animated pieces. And so I wanted to show you guys, so we're going to make an attempt to go around and show you what it looks like. And so as they go around the track and the car rocks from side to side, that's what causes the action, okay? Makes one head come out and then the other head come out, okay? So it's very different from the giraffes or any other ones, in the sense that again, there's no gears, no mechanism whatsoever. It's just a random balancing act, back and forth. So I'm going to give it a spin around a couple times, and hopefully we'll be able to demonstrate the action. Alright guys, sit tight a second.